SCP-100 JP. Object Class Safe Scratched. Euclid Scratched. Heater. Special Containment Procedures. MTF Iota 8 Star Watchers consisting of astronauts and armed technicians to be stationed at Site 103 to prevent potential trespassers within a radius of 5 kilometers around SCP-100 JP and to observe the interiors of the location. Anyone who trespasses 5-kilometer radius of Site 103 without permission is to be immediately terminated, regardless of the purpose of entry. Site 103 is to be fenced off with electric barriers to the height of at least 100 meters. Officially, Site 103 is to be treated as a uranium mining facility with reference to the uranium vein beneath the site. Due to the wear and tear, SCP-100 JP must undergo regular maintenance, once every few weeks, once every few years, scratched all the time. Maintenance operators are to be performed by 20 workers specifically trained in wood household maintenance. The workers are strictly forbidden to enter the attic. Description: SCP-100 is a wooden two-story house with an attic found in Yucatan Peninsula, Mexico. The original owner of the building was redacted following his death. The house was left without proprietors. The first and second floor of JP rooms within 100 are rooms with no anomalous qualities. However, the attic, which is accessible by the ladder located on the second floor, contains a space with an interior size far exceeding that of the building's exterior. The space exists in a completely non-gravitational and vacuum state. Investigation of the space via drones has revealed that the space extends for 127 kilometers in either direction, owing to the fact that the wooden walls extend in all directions, disappear on the horizon. Space appears to be warped following Incident 100-2. Attempts to destroy the walls are strictly forbidden. The space inside the attic in SCP-100 contains vast amounts of heavenly bodies consisting of wooden material seemingly derived with various furniture. Planets are about 10 centimeters in diameter, and fixed stars, light bulbs inserted with far more enormous. The source of wood, light bulbs, and power supply of the light bulbs is still undetermined. However, the heavenly bodies crumble even at the slightest touch. Foundation astronomers have discovered that the circumstances of these heavenly bodies correspond to those of our universe at the present time. It's been proven that damage dealt to the heavenly bodies, corresponding damage is actually heavenly bodies they represent. Damage dealt to the walls will equate damage of fabric of space. Because of these traits, experiments within 100 have strictly forbidden. See also Accident 100-1, Incident 100-2. Incident 100-1. In 1900 redacted, when a researcher team led by Foundation astronomers entered 100 to the investigation space into detail, researchers mistakenly destroyed a star inside 100. Redacted years later, in Redacted 2000, the star near the constellation Taurus suddenly went supernova despite its young stellar age. Immediately after this incident was observed from Foundation astronomers, 100 formerly thought of as the object simply mimicking heavenly bodies. Classified as a Euclid-class object, planets and stars destroyed by minor contact during surveys 100 numbered more than one redacted. Fortunately, all of those heavenly bodies destroyed were located far away from the planet resembling Earth, and it was estimated that the incident would cause no harm to life on Earth. Incident 100-2. In 2000, redacted, some parts of 100 collapsed due to an earthquake, resulting in holes in the walls for the attic, and many heavenly bodies were destroyed. This caused data redacted to personnel level 5 clearance by 05-redacted. Considering the fact that 100 is in danger of annihilation due to wear and tear and natural hazards, 100 is reclassified as a Keter-class object.